If you've been thinking about switching to Dialpad for your business calls or team communication, here's what you need to know before signing up. Dialpad is a cloud based communication platform that offers bulky calling, video meetings, and AI powered transcriptions all in one app. On their official site, dialpad.com, they highlight their AI call summaries, integration with Google Workspace and Microsoft 365, and scalability for remote teams. It's mainly marketed towards small to medium businesses that need flexibility without traditional phone systems. But when you look at real user feedback, things get more balanced. IT professionals mentioned mixed experiences. Some praised Dialpad for being easy to deploy and offering clear call quality, especially for distributed teams. However, others complained about delayed customer support and occasional issues with integrations not syncing properly. A few users even said they switched to competitors like RingCentral after running into reliability concerns during high volume calls. Overall, while Dialpad has legitimate features and a clean interface, it's not perfect. The company and platform are legit, but whether it's worth it depends on your business size and tolerance for occasional bugs. For small teams, it's a solid option, but for large enterprises relying on non-stop uptime, you might want to test it before fully switching.